What is algebra? The first thing you keep in mind that algebra is a lot like arithmetic. It follows all the rules of arithmetic. Algebra is the branch of mathematics that deals with symbols and the arithmetic operations across these symbols. Here, x and y are used as a placeholder, as they do not have any fixed value. There are a lot of different numbers we could add together to get 10, like 6 and 4. Therefore, x and y are known as unknown or variables. 10 is constant, and these are operators. And here arithmetic operation of addition is performed. So far, we have learned that algebra is a lot like arithmetic, but it includes unknown values that we can solve for in equations. Algebra is classified into various sub-branches. We briefly discuss them here. The concepts coming under elementary algebra include variables, evaluating expressions and equations, properties of equalities and inequalities, solving the algebraic equations, and linear equations having one or two variables, etc. Advanced algebra is the intermediate level of algebra. In this branch, you will go through the following topics: matrices, solving system of linear equations, graphing of functions and linear equations, sequences and series, rational expressions, trigonometry, discrete mathematics and probability, etc., etc. Next one is abstract algebra. Abstract algebra deals with algebraic structures, like the groups, rings, fields, modules, vector spaces, etc., etc. Linear algebra. It is almost used in all areas of mathematics. It concerns the linear equations for the linear functions, with their representation in vector spaces and matrices. Commutative algebra studies the commutative rings and their ideals over such rings. The algebraic number theory, as well as the algebraic geometry, depends on commutative algebra. It includes rings of algebraic integers, polynomial rings, and so on. Many other mathematics areas draw upon commutative algebra in different ways, such as differential topology, invariant theory, order theory, and general topology. Now, one question that comes to everybody's mind is, why do we even care about algebra? Is it helpful for anything in the real world? Or it just a bunch of tricky problems that keep students busy? Yes, using algebra to describe and represent things in the real world is incredibly helpful. When you just see the page of a math book with all these numbers and symbols, it is a little more difficult to understand that. However, it becomes much clearer once you begin graphing the solutions to the algebraic equations. Graphing an equation is similar to employing its different solutions to draw basic lines and curves that can be used to explain and anticipate events in the actual world. For example, graph of linear equations is straight lines. These could help you to find the slope of a roof. So, algebra is used all the time in fields like science, engineering, economics, and computer programming. We will talk about sub-branches of algebra and its uses in other lesson. But for now, I will just end the video. Please stop for a moment, Before you sign off, I request you to please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.